But before I had the softener installed here, I saw these horrible scaly bits everywhere, and I thought, no, I'm not going to spend my days scrubbing and cleaning. I want everything nice and shiny. So I got my Harvey softener around, the man that installed it, and I was over the moon.
Really don't think I could do without it now. It's a bit like having your dishwasher. Once you've got one, you can't imagine life without it. It makes housework so much simpler, all the cleaning much easier.
Yeah, so especially around the sink, all around the taps, it was lime scale. This comes out absolutely fantastic.
Believe it. My bath is sparkling, my taps are sparkling, everything is fantastic. I just love it to bits. That's all I can say. I just love it to bits. And it's not the wine talking, I've only had a couple of sips.
I think the first reaction was from my wife on how it changed the washing machine and the quantities of detergent, which she'll tell you more, but I think it halved. From my point of view, the first thing I noticed was when I washed the car, it didn't end up with circles all over it.
I've noticed more of an improvement on the washing machine, purely because I'm using much less product. So the soap I'm using is halved and the clothes come out nice and clean without the grey, sludgy water.
Before I had the water softener, my skin used to feel quite tight after a bath or a shower, so I'd have to use body lotion. And now I don't have that problem at all. One of my children had eczema, and her skin was very dry, and that's virtually gone now since we've had the water softener. We have no problems with that at all.
But we got the water softener and things were just ticking along, and I suddenly realised that the eczema was getting better. I was not having to put as much oil in the bath or cream, and it's gone, hasn't it? And so far we had the water softener put in April 2004, and we, touch wood, where's some wood, we haven't had any recurrence.
It was my choice. I decided to have mine outside so that I could utilise all the space under the sink. All the things that you accumulate through married life.
Yes, I did. It fitted into the cupboard this length so that I've got useful space to fit a bin in and all my cleaning products.
Not a problem at all. It was installed. He was a very nice guy, very helpful, and as soon as it was installed, within a matter of maybe an hour, a couple of hours, I could feel the soft water coming through, and boy, did I jump in that bath. Yes, I did. I didn't come out for an hour. It was lovely.
Sounds dreadful, doesn't it? I literally just pull the plug out and just sluice it round with the shower, and nothing's left, so I don't really need to clean it.
I'm quite impressed, and so are both our daughters with, and in fact one of them's nagging me that she wants one, so we're very, very pleased. And I don't know how many people have taken it up, but various people have commented on the performance of the machine, and I'd certainly endorse it, yes.
I've certainly recommended a few people to the salesperson, and I do feel that you've done an excellent job, and I certainly would recommend you.
I'm in love with my water softener. I'd rather have a water softener than a man. Sorry, I love it to pieces.